Understanding the phrase, just in time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, just in time. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. The phrase, just in time, is used to describe something happening at the last possible moment. It means that an event or action occurs exactly at the moment it is needed, not too early and not too late. For example, if you catch a bus just as it is about to leave, you are arriving just in time. The phrase, just in time, originated as a business term in the context of production and supply chain management. However, it has since entered everyday language. It's used to express relief that something was not missed or to describe efficiency in timing. You'll hear it in various situations, from casual conversations to professional contexts. Let's see how just in time is used in different sentences. 1. I arrived just in time for the meeting. 2. The ambulance got there just in time to save the patient. 3. You turned in your assignment just in time before the deadline. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various scenarios. It's important not to confuse just in time with similar phrases like in time or on time. In time means to do something before a deadline, and on time means doing something at a planned or scheduled time. Just in time specifically conveys a sense of barely making it at the last moment. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, just in time. Remember, it's a phrase that conveys urgency and precision in timing, and it's a handy addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!